Well, hello guys, this is our first English review. We call it no edit review, so no really edits, no cuts, just like you see it and will be on YouTube. Right here is the Kolsay Lake. This is Almaty region, this is Kazakhstan, if you didn't know. Right here is a Kia, the great one actually, the Land Cruiser Kia. And right here is a 300, the absolutely new generation 300. This is a Land Cruiser. This is more for the cost than $100. Right here is a full spec, the premium spec. You can see it here, it's a 70th anniversary edition. So it's not really noisy like it was the V8. It's V6, but a lot of torque and a lot of power. And it really works smoothly like a Lexus. Maybe I can ask you to go here, and I will just open the right door so it will be more efficiently. What do you have here? A few cup holders. This one is really huge. It has a separated compartment here, so the files with A4 paper really fits here nice. Yeah, and right here. Let's go to the second row. My height is 175 centimeters, so it's pretty lot of space here. And look, they did with the seats here, just to enhance the space here. The JBL premium sound system, armrest here, and a little tiny detail. This armrest in this generation is more lower, so it's more comfortable for you to put your arm here. So you see, the last generation it was light. USB-C slots, HDMI slots, separated RSC multimedia. You can, for example, use the Miracast app and use a smartphone and watch YouTube or something. And the second passenger can use separate files using, for example, HDMI. So connect it into your laptop, for example. We have here ventilated seats, heating seats, separated. So it's pretty much luxury stuff. Okay, let's try to push the button right here. Okay, right now I will ask you to go here. Оставайся вот здесь вот. And I will take the driver's seat. By the way, the ground clearance in this generation is claimed like 230 centimeters, but we measured and it was really a bit higher. So the Land Cruiser is still Land Cruiser. I think that we don't have right here the air suspension function feature, but I think that Toyota in maybe 2 years. So that's the plan for Toyota, like always been. Steering wheel, a bit tiny, still hydraulic. 3 turns from nut to nut. Let's make it sound well like Camry. Look how they did this mode select button. It's really luxurious feeling, tactilely. Okay, you can open the armrest, the center Still the function of the cool box available. Actually, right now it's working. And we have cold water here. Yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. We have a lot of features here on the display, so you can move it like this or like this. It's a separate display. I believe this is a 12.3 inch, and resolution it's pretty okay, as you see. Oh, yep, we can do this. We can do this like this, like this. Can show you. Okay, let's do this. Oh, yep, he's ready. Cameraman is ready. Pap. Pap. Okay. We have here a digital display between two gauges. The tachometer and speedometer, it's not something that you won't see, because we know there's no full, it's not a full virtual. What we have here, one USB-C, one USB, and the slot for the DVD, or what? The compact disc still in 221? I don't know. Maybe it's useful. Not for me. We have heated steering wheel. We have the same stuff for the ventilated and heated seats here. And we have here the special start-stop button. And you can actually register your fingerprint here. Up to 10 fingerprints. So it's really anti. We have here the charger for the phones, but if you'll take mine, this one is kind of big one. Yeah, it fits. It's okay. And it's really huge console here, and you see this piano buttons. It's really not a Toyota, you know. Something here is not going well. It's a bit more Lexus stuff here. I mean, the trim, the space, the buttons, sounds, smoothly working engine 3.5 twin turbo. Off-road GR Sport spec. So if you are really interested in this, please subscribe to our new channel. I am actually not good in English, but I'm trying, because actually I am a Russian origin guy. But I'll try to make not only aesthetic reviews, but the real test drives with the drivey impressions for you. Let's push button. This one costs $100,000 plus minus. So this is new Land Cruiser 300 with the sunroof, not a panorama. This is still on frame of 2 years. So the last, what I wanted to say, it's, давай возьмем пообщаем. Look at this one. It became lighter, 200 kilos. So right now it's 2,600 something kilos. And it looks really linear. Brutal but sensual. Subscribe to our channel. Look at this beauty, Kolsai Lake. And I'm working in Kazakhstan. We have a lot of new cars here, new gens, new launches. So please write a comment and we will provide and drive events with the new cars.